Hello and welcome to the Views Club. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect bacon. Yes, I know that you've struggled as much as I have to get to this point, so I'm going to make it easy for you, and if you want to learn, keep watching. Okay friends, what you want to do first is you want to wash your bacon. Just give it a quick rinse with water, put it on a paper towel, your drying towels, and just make sure to dry it, pat dry. You know how to do that part, okay? So after you wash it, you're gonna notice that your bacon gets way longer. So you wanna pick a pan for your oven that can handle the size of your bacon. You can lay it flat without a rack, but I'll tell you what, there was this time when I first tried this that I almost burned my house down. Like, no joke, the bacon dripped over my pan into the bottom of my oven. It got really scary really fast. So what I'm telling you guys, if for example you're using the right bacon, that one gives you a lot of bacon fat, so you got to be careful. So what I would say is get a steep enough bacon pan for the amount of bacon that you're making. You don't want to overcrowd it because all that bacon fat, and if I sound scared, it's because it can be very, very scary on your end. So please be careful. But it works the same way if you're using a pan. So just line up your bacon.
This recipe is for mature adults only.
Yes.
That's how I felt. Like the ratings.
It really is. If you're going to be using a baking sheet like this one, you definitely don't want to overcrowd it. Can you hand me that pan, Mama?
Yeah.
So I can show them the difference. So you remember this little baking tray that I have? This one works perfectly because if your bacons end up getting really long for you after you wash them, you can just cut them in half and they'll be smaller pieces, but equally as good. See, the depth in this one works a lot best. That way you can guarantee that you're going to be on the safe side, okay? So if you've never done this before, try to get something that has enough space to let the fat drip on it.
And that's a roasting rack, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a roasting one.
With its own rack on there?
That's the same one that I use for the cortadillo cake.
Oh, okay.
If you guys want to learn to make the cake, I'll link it at the end and in the description area. But that one's going to work perfect for it. And I'm going to show you guys in just a moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it in my oven. And I'll show you the steps in just a moment. Okay, friends. Our bacon has been here for 10 minutes, okay? I'm gonna come and give it a little bit of a turn so I can get the equal cooking on both sides. But even if you don't come and turn it, your bacon is still gonna come out great. You see all the bacon, that fat that has dripped there? That's the reason you wanna have a nice and steep oven pan so that you can be safe and also achieve the bacon crisp that you want, okay?
What are you gonna do with that bacon fat?
Don't just start with the eggs. Is that why you're saying it? Guys, I can't stand her. We're signing off with Claude today. She's on one. But I'm going to show you guys the difference between this bacon here, and then I'll show you the difference it makes on the other baking sheet. All right, I'm going to squeeze my baking pan right here in between the other one. And I'll see you guys shortly when our bacon's done. Okay, this bacon here, I came in and I flipped it at the 10 minutes. You guys saw me flip this piece of bacon, and I cooked this one for 18 minutes, right? It's fully cooked. It's not as crispy. So it's gonna be up to you what you decide to do. You can still, what I really like about this thing, it's not just anything, okay guys? It's a really good little roasting pan because you can just pick it up and set it and boom, done. Makes it easy for you to get your your bacon fat for your eggs or your beans. Since Claude has been giving me grief about it, okay? So let me go ahead and show you the next one. In this one, what I just did, I just put my bacon pieces in here without moving or flipping or anything. And that's kind of what we got. It sets in the bacon fat. So it's gonna be if you like it or not, but it's fully cooked. It's going to depend on how long you keep it in. But I feel like when you don't have the little rack, it doesn't cook it as well as you would like for the amount of time that you want to keep it in there. So it'll probably take you a little bit longer. It still works. It's going to be what you have at hand and however you're going to make it comfortable for your home. Okay? So using this little baking rack and using that roasting rack, it's pretty similar. This one I kept in for 22 minutes and it gave me a crispier style, okay? You can see it's still a little bit stuck on there, but comes off quickly.
Oh, you can hear the crisp.
Yeah, you can hear the crisp on this one. So usually I go between 15-20 minutes. On these I went 22 minutes and got the crispier one. So I think once you get to your 15-minute mark, you kind of want to take your time and start keeping an eye out in your pan. That's if you chose these style of pans to bake it in. If you guys are putting these in the oven and there's not enough space for the bacon fat to go into, I suggest you guys don't even do it.
Yeah, we heard the story of you almost burning your house down.
Almost. See, it's so crispy, it's just falling apart.
Nice.
And that's how I make bacon, guys.
How about you give us a little taste test?
I am gonna taste it. I'm dying to taste it. Which one do you want me to do? Crispy?
The crispy one?
Yes. Yes. Yes, Cloud. Mmm, that's so good. You don't taste so much of like the bacon, like fat in there, but you can taste the bacon what it should be. And I like this way of making bacon. Because while you have these in the oven, you can be doing whatever you need to do for breakfast on the stovetop. So, if you guys like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, take the time to subscribe. Click the bell for notifications. And I should not be talking with my mouth full, I'm sorry. But yeah, keep sending me your pictures on Twitter, Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Adios!
Right, so first, I don't mind the hair. This is why you're my favorite with the baking, the cooking, everything.
Close your door, babe. I'm going in your bathroom. Close your door. I'm going in your bathroom. And this shower releases steam when you take a